Honey, I have an emergency surgical operation tonight, and we'll be back late. Love you.
The fancy's a fire.
Oh God! What is it gonna be? Mia will definitely cry. Oh, my poor Paulo.
Order! Now start the highest state of emergency. Light bar.
Hi, boss.
Hey, light strip, show us the dance moves you recently learned.
Yes, sir. How do I look? Can you feel my dynamic rhythm?
Boring.
Look at me. Look at me.
Oh, Mr. Audio Light is always so cool.
Well, I can do that.
Tonight, we will all sing in the universe.
Sorry for the troubles. But your body here drank too much last night in the dreamy club.
Yuck! Gross alignment, please!
Oh, sweetheart. I can't help thinking of our first Christmas together.
Oh, my pumpkin.
You nothing else to do?
Shh. Quiet. They're coming back.